CourseLeap is excited to announce its AP Calculus AB and BC Prep course after a successful launch of its Math Art of Problem Solving, AMC and Data Analytics courses. The Advanced Placement or AP Calculus tests are administered by College Board and are internationally recognized as benchmarks to gauge a student's level of calculus before starting any STEM or economics courses. Students with a good score on this test are automatically eligible for credits at most US colleges. Our qualified master instructors carefully structure each module, keeping engagement and exploration at the center. Pacing, continuous assessment, evaluation, and recapitulation are the key pillars of CourseLeap programs. We engage students in discussions, get them comfortable with technology, and help them attain mastery over the topic areas on the calculus test. CourseLeap has a high focus on performance and student success. To register, please contact us on the email on your screen.